Hello everyone, good evening. This is the Virtual Internship Program for the A in AI. I am Anuritika. The topic of the project is COVID-19 detection from X-ray images using convolutional neural network. Speaking about the project, this project uses radiological imaging to determine whether the scan patient has COVID-19 or not. This is the main aim. And the main aim of the project is with the chest X-ray dataset, develop a deep learning model to classify the X-rays of healthy versus corona positive patients. And some of the objectives of the project is to import the data set and explore the data frame, and perform some data transformation to pre-process the image to convert the images to same size and grayscale, and perform normalization techniques on the images using OpenCV, and split the data set into training and test sets, and create a convolutional neural network model to classify the images into positive and negative COVID-19 infections, and test the CNN model and evaluate the performance of the model. Some of the libraries that are used are Jupyter Notebook, but this is a collab interface, and Python 3, NumPy, OpenCV, TensorFlow, Keras. And the first step is to import the necessary packages in the libraries. We have imported the necessary packages and libraries as shown here. We have imported the models, importing sequential, convolutional, 2D, max pooling, 2D, flattened, dense, and other layers. And we have to first initialize the CNN. This is the model architecture, the network architecture to predict the for patients outcome. And we have to import the data set, and I have imported the data set from and mounted the data set in the drive, and I have given the link here. And we can say that the COVID label for COVID is 0 and normal is 1. And while pre-processing the data set, we are using NumPy and OpenCV. And first we have to iterate through each folders and iterate through each image and read each images, and we are going to convert the image into grayscale and resizing the image for the images. And we have done a normalization techniques here, and we are going to append the images into the arrays. And we are taking the display the sample image here, and we are going to split the data set into the train and test set, and we are going to reshape the data set for that is going to be fed into the CNN model. And this is the summary of the model. We can see the total parameters and trainable parameters. We are going to split the data set, and the training part begins here, model training. If we are training this model for like 20 epochs, and the validation split is 0.1, and we can see the plotting the training and the validation loss. We can see the both the losses converge to a single. That means the model has trained well. And plotting the validation, the training accuracy, we can also see that both the accuracies converge. And the evaluation of the model, first we are going to evaluate the test for the test data set. For the test data set, we can see the loss is 0.0159%, and the accuracy is 0.99%. And we're going to save the model for that is used for the prediction, further prediction. And moving on to the prediction of the model, first of all we are going to use matplotlib and pre-processing import image for the model prediction. First we are going to give a specific image, and we are going to predict as whether COVID or the normal. And we are going to reshape this image as well, so that it can work through the so that we can it works for the CNN model architecture. And we can get the prediction is normal. This is a normal image. And second prediction, we are going to feed another image, and we can see what the model has offer for this image. We can see the prediction is normal, and we are going to predict input a third image, which is, and the model predict this as COVID. So this has been the CNN model model that is used for COVID prediction for positive and negative patients. Thank you.